Hello,
Hi.
can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Ruby. I'm 10 years old. I live in Tamdo City. I'm in class 5 at daily school.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Ruby, look here. Okay, did you swim?
Yes, I did. I swam with my mother.
That's good. Did you take photos?
Yes, I did. I took photos with my father.
Good. Did you collect seashells?
Yes, I did. I collected seashell with my brother.
Good. Did you walk on the beach?
Yes, I walked on the beach with my family.
That's great. Okay, Ruby, what did your family do in Halong Bay?
We took a boat trip around the bay.
What did your family do in Sydney?
We saw some interesting places.
What did your family do in Singapore?
We bought souvenirs.
Souvenirs, that's great. Okay, Ruby, will you decorate the house for Ted?
Yes, I will.
Good. Will you make banchung for Ted?
No, I won't. I'll make spring rolls.
Spring rolls, that's great. Will you do the shopping for Ted?
Yes, I will.
Great. Okay, where will you go at Ted?
I'll go to my grandparents' house.
Where will you go at Ted?
I'll go to a fireworks show.
Where will you go at Ted?
I'll go to a New Year party.
Good. Where will you go at Ted?
I'll go to a flower festival.
That's great. Okay, Ruby, what will you do on Children's Day?
We will dance.
What will you do on Sports Day?
We will play badminton.
What will you do on Teachers' Day?
We will sing.
What will you do at Mid-Autumn Festival?
We will have a party.
Party, that's great. Okay. What food will you have at the party?
We will have pizza.
Pizza, good. What drinks will you have at the party?
We will have milk tea.
What food will you have at the party?
We will have burgers.
Burgers, okay. What drinks will you have at the party?
We will have apple juice.
Great. Okay, Ruby, look here. How does she stay healthy?
She does morning exercise.
She does morning exercise. That's good. How does he stay healthy?
He plays sports.
He
He plays sports.
good. How does he stay healthy?
He eats healthy food.
How does she stay healthy?
She drinks fresh juice.
Fresh juice, great. Okay. How often does she do yoga?
Once a week.
How often does he drink orange juice?
Three times a week.
Good. How often does she eat vegetables?
Every day.
That's great. Good. What's the matter with you?
I have a toothache.
What's the matter with you?
I have a headache.
Sorry. What's the matter with you?
I have a stomach ache.
Great. Okay, that's a good job, Ruby. Ruby, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good.